it's Paloma here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back at it again with another video. As you can see on the description, today's video is going to be my everyday makeup look. So I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do wear makeup, it's either drastic or like very simple cute makeup like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did this look, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, share, and just do everything to get me some subscribers. No, I'm just kidding, guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now let's get started. So I already did my eyebrows, as you can see, and I concealed them. So for foundation, like, this is my favorite foundation at the time. So yeah, this is my favorite foundation at the time. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Like, the color is just amazing, and like everything about it is just great. So then I go ahead and use this makeup brush. I don't know, it's a foundation brush. I don't know what kind of brand this is, but yeah, I'll go ahead and use this brush. So after I put the foundation on, I go ahead and take one of my sponges, which is not this sponge. I go ahead and take one of my sponges right here, and I literally just like dab my face. By the way, this palette is the Anastasia or Anastasia. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but it's the Prism palette, and I got it as a gift for my birthday, and I'm in love. Like, look at the colors. Like, I can't wait to try out this color. Like, it's so cute. If you kind of know how to do your makeup already, this will probably take you like less than 10 minutes. So yeah, that was my Fenty Beauty foundation, and that's how I apply my foundation. So the next thing I do is contour my face, contour slash blend. So I bought this new Hoola Benefit bronzer, and it's in the size mini because I wanted to try it out first before I actually went and bought like a really big one, an expensive one, because I don't know, I just didn't want to purchase something so big that I wasn't gonna use. So yeah, and I'm in love with this. Like, oh fuck, oh my god, thank god it didn't break. And I'm not a professional makeup artist, guys. Everybody applies their makeup differently. This is just the way I apply my makeup. And yeah, hopefully you guys can learn something from this. If not, give me some tips, leave it down below in the comments, and yeah. Every time I record my mom's just like, again, you're gonna turn that bright ass light on? Just be prepared for the light bill to come, that you're gonna pay for that shit. And I'm just like, girl, I'm trying to follow my dreams here. You gotta support me, girl. You gotta pay those bills. So I recently bought this contour palette. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. So literally I just take a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and go over with the same brush, I'll go over the bronzer. Alright, so we're done with the contour. So after that, I go ahead and this is the only blush I have, guys, and I've been having forever. I've never actually purchased another one after this one, and it's a MAC It's a MAC blush and it looks like this. Let me just open it for you guys. It's cute. It has like a little bit of glitter. It's called Lovejoy Mineralized Blush. So yeah, every time I like dab to get some more product, I literally just like dust it off. That way I don't have as much product on the brush, so it doesn't look too cakey or too crazy or anything like that. So I learned this technique as well when I'm putting on blush. I kind of like go like this, like smile, and then it'll literally like target your cheekbones. That way you know exactly where you're putting the blush. Yeah, this blush is bomb. It's like perfect. Alright, so I bought this highlighter at the drugstore. So yeah, this is a L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator. And this is awesome. Like, I love it. It is like a glow, but I put it on before I put on my actual glow, just because I feel like it gives me more of a glow. And then especially if you're gonna look so simple, why not just add more glow, guys? So then after that, if you could see, you see that glow? That shit is popping. The glow I have is obviously Anastasia. And this is so sad, guys, but obviously I use this one all the time, but this one broke, so I really never got to use it. So it's so freaking upsetting. Why is somebody knocking down? My baby just cut his hair today. You're outside, your nose is red, babe. Alright, go, let me finish my video. Give me a kiss. But yeah, I'll go ahead and use Dripping Gold. I'm gonna be right back once I put my eyelashes, because Lord knows how long it takes me to put eyelashes on. So I'm gonna put my lashes on, guys, and I'll be right back. Guys, so I put my lashes on, but I totally forgot like 2 steps because I got distracted with gummy bears by my son. So basically I did everything besides my contour. I mean everything besides my concealing and my baking. So I'm gonna do that now, guys. I usually do this right after I foundation my face, which the foundation was too popping, which I was like, damn, I probably don't even need that shit. So this is the concealer I use, and it's in the color medium, and I literally just bought this like 2 weeks ago, and it's like amazing. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I sat it for a couple minutes. Now I'm gonna take my brush, which is this brush, and just like brush it. And the technique that I learned today is to, like, when you take this off, brush it up upward. That way you don't have like, whenever you take pictures with flash, it's not gonna look like too white on your skin. So I'm almost done here, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and use some mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and put my favorite part on, which is my lip gloss. Oh my god, it's almost empty. Yeah guys, so this is the final product. This is my everyday makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notifications. That way you can go ahead and be notified every time I do post a video, guys. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll go ahead and respond to your comment and answer any questions you do have. And I hope you guys enjoy your day, enjoy my YouTube videos, and enjoy my channel. And please come back for more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.